Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, I told y'all this morning, but I want to tell you once again, just in case you didn't see it this morning. Hurricane Zeta is headed towards us, and we're still in the cone, but we're like at the edge of the cone. So if I'm not here at 10 p.m. tonight for my late night show, that is the reason. It shouldn't be that bad, and I should be here, but just in case, you'll know why. Y'all, please check out my link in the description box below. That is a link to all of my stuff. Only one link now, so it would make it easier for everyone. Okay, stimulus stuff here. Nancy Pelosi and Steve Mnuchin talked on the phone for about 52 minutes. But the talk did not go very good. They did not get much progress at all. And this is the first time that they have said this. They normally say it's all kinds of good progress. We don't see it, but now they've actually said it. Things they still are at odds about is healthcare details of how they plan on crushing COVID-19. If you remember, they had an agreement on this 11 days ago. But Pelosi said the Democrats backtracked and changed the language. She went on to say that they are not following through on the national plan for testing, tracing, and treatments. You know, on that whole treatment thing, I don't know of any hospital or doctor that will not give you good care if you do have COVID. Whether you got a national plan or not, if you go to the hospital with COVID, you're going to get good care. The governor of New Hampshire, Chris Sununu, said that the American people would be better off if they vote every member of Congress out and just start fresh. Y'all, how many times have I said that? Fire them all. Now we got a governor coming public and saying it. Even the politicians, some of them are fed up. Governor Sununu went on to say he thinks the American people are sick and tired of nothing. Fire all of them. And he also said, I really mean this seriously. Governor Sununu, we mean it too. And we are going to fire him. Sununu also said the House and the Senate have not shown any leadership through this crisis. And the politicians has just clogged the system up so badly. Yes, they have. Now, if you remember, 4 years ago, the swamp was supposed to get drained, but the plug was clogged up, and it still is. The Democrats and Nancy Pelosi are saying the appointment of Justice Amy Barrett should have been put off until after the election. Well, Nancy, I say to you, you should agree on a stimulus deal before the elections. But you don't care about anything but what you want, not about the people at all. It's your way or no way. That's not how negotiations work, Nancy. The Senate is on yet another vacation, but they are on standby to come back to Washington and vote if an agreement is reached. If they get called, they have to be back in Washington in 24 hours. But just think about this. How much jet fuel could be saved and tax money saved if they would just stay in place until the job is done and quit flying all around the country on our dime? El Paso, Texas is forcing a 2-week stay-at-home order with a curfew. If they don't follow the rules, they will have to pay a penalty as much as $500 each. The hospitals in Texas are at capacity, and cases are still rising. There were 80,000 new cases in the U.S. on Saturday and on Sunday, and almost 70,000 on Monday. Y'all, we are not far from a lockdown everywhere. If we don't do what we have to do to slow the COVID cases down, y'all, I did watch a Donald Trump rally yesterday, and I am in no way of saying this is only happening at his rallies. It's happening at everybody's rallies, and it's happening everywhere in the United States. I've seen thousands of people very close together, yelling, screaming, projecting their voice out, and wouldn't you know, they're not wearing masks. Y'all, we have to change our behavior. If we're going to get past this, we have to change our behavior. This is something we can control. All we got to do is wear a mask and stay 6 feet apart. And all the other things that we did in the beginning of this pandemic. We need to bring all of those steps back that we was doing then. Y'all, if we don't take control of this, I do see a countrywide lockdown very soon. And that would just mean more people losing their jobs, more people losing their businesses, more people losing their homes, their lives, and everything else that they've worked for all their life. Y'all, we have to change our behavior and do what's right to get past this COVID virus. I know y'all get sick of me saying that, but it's true. I can't hammer that home enough. Just how serious our hospitals is here. When my wife was in the hospital for a heart attack, I could not go see her. The doctor had to make special arrangements on the day that he thought she was going to pass away for me to come see her one last time. Thank God she didn't pass away. But every day that she was in the hospital, they tested her for COVID. That's just how serious they are about COVID. Y'all, I have a new book, and it's in my link in the description box. It's Cooking with Soul. It's 100 pages of soul food goodness. This is a very good book. I am so proud of this book. The interior looks better than any book I've ever made. I am so proud of it. Y'all, please go check it out. Whether you want it or not, I wish you'd go see it. Y'all, how I used to have all my links in the description box, I don't have that now. I've got something that will make it easier for everyone to find everything. I have one link that takes you to a landing page. From that landing page, you go where you want to go. All everything is in one spot. I hope y'all like the way I did that. And even if you don't want to buy something, I wish you'd go see that landing page. I am very proud of it. I think I did a good job on it. Y'all, keep your faith in Jesus Christ. He will see us through this. Jesus Christ has never took us to a storm that he won't take us through. We have a healing God, but we have to ask. So I'm asking everyone to pray for our country, pray for our leaders, pray for everyone touched by COVID, pray for everyone touched by the way our government is handling the whole situation. Pray we get out of this in a speedy manner, because we have been in it way too long. If everyone prays, I know God will hear it. So y'all please pray. I do love you all. Please watch the video that's popping up here now. Give me your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please subscribe to my channel. And just know, I love you all. I don't think I'll be making another video today because ain't really a whole lot happening. But if something major happens, I will come in and make a quick video about it. Please check out my video tonight at 10 p.m. On that video, we don't talk politics, we don't talk stimulus, we just have a good time. We're laid back, we're taking our time, we'll have our beverage, and we will just chill with each other. Ask me questions, I will answer. So please check out the show at 10 p.m. and just know, I love you all. Ciao.